So Pisces, hi. So I'm going to do a love reading. Okay. Let's see what is your present situation, and also let's see what would be your immediate future also. Okay. This is a general reading. If you want to book a personal or a private reading, that is completely different. Why so? Because நம்ம அதில் வந்து உங்களுடைய நேம், அதுக்கப்புறம் உங்களுடைய டேட் ஆஃப் பர்த்தை வச்சு பார்ப்போம். பட் திஸ் இஸ் ஜென்ரல் ரீடிங் பேஸ்ட் ஆன் த ஜோடியாக் சயின்ஸ் வந்து பார்க்குறனால this may or may not resonate. If it does not resonate, you can skip the video. Okay, if it resonates, yes, you can take what resonates with you. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe. And reading book பண்ணணும் இல்லை வந்துட்டு I want to know about the guidance, okay, how tarot works அப்படின்னு வந்து உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும்னா டேரோ எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகும் அப்படின்றதுக்கும் நான் ஒரு லிங்க்கு கொடுத்துருக்கேன். அந்த லிங்க்கை போய் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யூ வில் கெட் டு நோ த ஐடியா. என்னோட இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் பேஜ், என்னோட வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர், everything is in the description box. You can contact me, okay? So let's do for Pisces, okay? Pisces. Pisces. What is your present situation? What is their present situation? What is their present situation? Love reading. Love reading for Pisces present situation. Love reading for Pisces present situation. Full of emotions. Some people would be at distance, or some people it's not taking any actions. Slow pace. Okay, your love will get evolved. It will get everything will happen at the right time, but not at this time. Right now it won't. Okay, take rest. I'm getting a 6 of Cups. This could be your very known person, not a stranger person, very known person to in your life, and a King of Wands. Okay, present situation, King of Cups, King of Wands, 3 of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, and 4 of Swords. Okay, what do I get here? அப்படின்னு வந்து கேட்டிங்கன்னா, that is full of love, full of emotions. Yes, present situation is that. And whatever the steps you take regarding your love life, okay, it needs a daily progress, and also it's happening very slow. Some people could not take any actions because many people are at distance. Okay, you cannot take any decisions because you are at distance. It's for some of the people. Okay, and also I'm getting 7 of Pentacles over here. Okay, some people could not express your love. You do have that, but even if you're trying to prove your love to the people, okay, people are not getting it. Okay, they are not ready to understand. That's what I'm getting it here. People are not ready to get it, or people are not ready to understand. அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு இது இருக்கு. So I think it's better for you to see there is love. See, do you see that there is love? Take risk, take slow. Okay, ரொம்ப டெஸ்பரேட்டாக இருக்காதீங்க. Take it slow and things will definitely fall on place. நம்ம ஒவ்வொரு கார்டுக்கு கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணலாம், நம்ம பார்த்துருப்போம். பட் லெட்ஸ் டூ த கிளாரிஃபிகேஷன். ஓகே, எனக்கு டவுட்ஸ் இருக்கிற கார்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் I'll do the clarification. Why is this? Why is that? அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. And also we'll see the immediate future also. Why is the King of Wands is here? What does it mean? Why is the King of Wands is here? What does it mean? See, at the end, I'm sure you'll end up with a proper person, with a proper family. Everything will be there. But right now, I do see that distance could be one of the reason for you. Okay, and one of the problem is I do see that is a communication problem. I do see a communication problem here, but see, I just want you to be very happy with what do you have. Okay, you seem to so boring. Okay, you're not happy with what do you have. And one more point is, I do see that he or she is trying to console you or offer you or something, but you are not ready to take that. Okay. Why the three of wands is here? 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 See, do not worry. Your love will get success, or the understanding, the married couple you will eventually, you'll end up in a very good way. But right now, not right now, at one point. But if you ask me, is that love is there? I don't see that. There it is. You are not either. There is, I mean, there could be a misunderstanding, could be one of the problem or something like that. Communication problem is there, but so much of love, so much of emotions, so much of என்ன சொல்றது, family oriented feel, everything is there over here. Okay, he or she is trying their best to show it to you, but it's taking their own time. They are trying their best. Okay, let's see what is the immediate future. Show me the cards which I need to see regarding your immediate future with the three cards. Immediate future for Pisces love reading. Three cards, please. Three cards, please. Three cards for the immediate future Pisces love reading, please. Wow. Everything will end up in a, see, 10 of cups. I do see her. If you're looking out to get married to the person you love in the immediate future, yes, it will happen. And also I'm getting 9 of pentacles, 3 of pentacles. It need a teamwork. Okay, I mean, already நிறைய தடவை சொல்லியிருக்கேன், you clap பண்ணும்போது ஒரு கையிலேருந்து சத்தம் வராது. You need to clap with both hands. Okay, teamwork in the sense you need to work on it, and he or she also need to work. And again, the both and the cooperation is very much needed here. Okay, you'll also get the independence, freedom, okay, luxury, everything will be there in the immediate future. Okay, even now the situation, even in the present situation, your this is not bad. Your circumstance or your position is not bad. The thing is, maybe you are not satisfied. You are fully in love, but you're expecting something else. Everybody will not be the same, right? நம்ம வந்து ஷாருக் கான் மாதிரி இருக்கோம்னா, சில பேருக்கு ரித்திக் ரோஷன் மாதிரி தான் வந்து இருக்காங்க. சில பேருக்கு வந்து ஜோதிகா பிடிக்கும்னா, சில பேருக்கு சிம்ரன் பிடிக்கும், அந்த மாதிரி. Okay, you are expecting something which they are not, but they are trying their best. Wow. Why is the Three of Pentacles here? Why is the Three of Pentacles here? Why is the Three of Pentacles here? I feel like if you are thinking about your past or something, if you are so worried about or moving somewhere or one place to another, I think it will happen very fast, because maybe that could be one of the reason for the people for moving on. You need to move on from one place to another. Everything is in your hands. Okay, everything is in your hands. Your relationship is very much committed, so you don't need to worry about it. Perfect family, perfect prosperity, perfect or family togetherness, everything is there For that you need to move on from your either from the past relationship, or if you want to move on from one place to another. Okay, மேபி லைக் சில பேருக்கு டிஸ்டன்ஸில் இருக்கிறதே ஒரு ப்ராப்ளமாக வந்து இருக்கலாம். இஃப் யூ ஆர் டுகெதர் தென் ஆல் யூர் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வில் கெட் சார்ட்டட். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். லெட்ஸ் ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆன் லீலா.